round, yeah? Thank you. Look at this. What's this drink? What is it? Orange. Mandarin. I'll come back for this. Is that okay? 1 minute? 1 minute, all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's okay, it's no problem. It's okay. 1 second. I found my mask, everyone. Can you hold that? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Food Review Club. I hope you guys are doing great. We've got another video today, sponsored by Miller & Co, my accountants. A bit of logo down there and a link to their website in the comments below. As I said in my previous video, they have been absolutely sensational for my business, and I know they could be for yours as well. Really, really knowledgeable, and just absolutely fantastic. If you're watching this now, based in and around Luton, you think you might need some financial assistance and support, get in touch with them. Right, I am at this place, Luton Doner. You all right, mate? Very, very excited about this review.
You've ordered, yeah?
Yeah, I've ordered my friend. Look, and it looks pretty good as well.
Good, man.
Is that real?
Change.
Yes. So, we pulled over, saw this place, looks like it's been around for ages. The guy inside carving this doner was like a master craftsman. Incredible. Could you hold the drink for a second, Jess? He was incredible. This is a large portion of doner and chips. And may I add, Luton, I think you can be very proud of this. That is an absolute pile, again, of...
Oh, shit.
They're laughing. I've said it looked like shit or not. That is incredible. And the way he was carving it on his knife was like magical. Like, I was absolutely mesmerising. You watched it, didn't you, Jess?
Yeah.
It was like a really talented bloke. Because obviously he'd been around for a long time with this place. Hot coals. Come here, have a quick look. Come inside. What they're like. All the extraction hoods have even got that kind of authentic look about them. I absolutely love it. Let's taste the food and see if the food stacks up to the look. Now, I absolutely love thick, chunky pieces of doner. It was masked. Not only is he cutting it by hand, but he was also controlling the turn, getting exactly the right amount of char on the meat. Here we go. I am Donor fucking McGregor. We know this. What does he think? You got something there?
That's it.
Yeah? About time we had a kebab back on the page, by the way, as well. Jesus! Now I've got... Okay, that is really coming through. I've got chilli sauce and garlic mayo. Do you know what? This doner is absolutely bang on. Nothing about this feels rushed. Even the way he was carving it. You know, you could tell someone's got a bit of class about what they're doing. It comes through with the doner meat. Look at that thick, robust, meaty slabs of doner meat. Sometimes we just want doner meat and chips. Now I do believe I've got me a side salad, won't be eating that, and I've got some borek, like a pastry. I'm right, Jess. Spinach, cheese and pastry kind of option as well. And I'll give that a go. Yeah, absolutely delicious. I've got warmth coming through from the chili sauce. You see that, Jess? All right. Great, rich chili sauce, creamy garlic mayo. Oh, another bit on that one. Might as well have it.
Absolutely smashing it in.
It's really good, Jess. Excuse me, sir. Could I have that wrapped? now, so you take that, you try that with your pastry. That is delicious, by the way. So in here, I've got, yes, here it is. This is my Borek. This is £2. And I saw it inside, laying on trays in there. And it looks like they're making it themselves. I said, what is that? So it's a cheesy spinach pastry. Popular in Turkey. Never had one. Although it sounds amazing. Look at underneath. Like it's got... Let's dive in and see what it's like. Interesting texture. There we go. That's the inside of it. Piece of cheese. Kind of like...
So that's really cheesy.
Yeah, it tastes great. It's got a bit of a weird texture. Like you think it would be a flaky, thin, light pastry. It's not. It's heavy and dense. At the same time, that works in its favour. It kind of feels meaty and wholesome.
It smells like that cheese you get in the tube.
Say again.
Primula.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
That is really nice. £2 that was. Interesting. Last thing is drink liquor. As we kind of summarise Luton Doner. What a name, by the way.
Right outside the taxi rank.
Right outside the taxi rank with the big orange lights on. Let's get them on, Jess. Come back here. One thing I will want to say as well, caught that sign, 50% off everything for emergency services. And they're operating a little hatch here as well, which is wicked for social distancing. Now, drink watch.
What the bloody hell is that?
It's like orange, mandarin, Turkish. That is what Drink Watch is all about. Getting these little unique drinks from around the place. Gone are the days where you just want the basics. What a great option to have in your fridge. Bottoms up. It's like a mandarin, not orange. Mandarin has got that sharper flavour to it. Not quite so rounded as orange, but at the same time, it's kind of nice as a refreshing cold drink in a little glass bottle like that. Fantastic. It's about time we had some good old-fashioned doner meat on the page. And I think Luton Doner have delivered that. The guy in there, sensational. I loved it. Come in a polystyrene tub, I know chips were fairly basic. However, as an overall package, what do you expect? It's decent. I'm going to give this a score out of 10 of, I'm going to give this a 7.9. However, with flying colours. Quality level, that's where it lives. However, brilliant. Definitely come back. Luton, stand up, give this video a share. Remember, Miller & Co, link in the comments below, but link to the website if you need an accountant or any financial assistance or support with your VAT bills, your tax returns, whatever, give them a shout. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was another Luton review.